So there it is, rocks. Home sweet home. The V-Star looks like it made it home unscathed in the back of the toy hauler. That's a big relief. We had things packed solid around this thing. Another bike to take out. You're getting there though.
Yep.
So you were just looking and saying we should get more stuff? Look at Roxy's got a new bra. There it is, folks. Home sweet home. Got to get this couch out of here. All that unpacking. This is my view. And it's the view from our own bed. Time to take a look. Look at this. We came home just in time. We're under a tornado watch for our county. Ooh, I hear a lot of cracking. Let's go out and look in the front of that. Look at these trees. There, close this up. Roxy's hiding between my legs. You afraid, Rox? Let's look up here. Wow. Look at this. You could get way wet way back here at the porch. It's blowing in this far. Whoa, get wet out here. Get wet out there. You don't usually see it blow in that far. So damp. Look at the inside of those globes are even wet.
Put the chairs down.
Humidity's been really high. This storm is still going on. Said we could get up to 70-mile-an-hour winds. The power's been out. The power just came back on. Pretty wild out. So we're laying in bed. And the wind, scary. Hear that? Got a tin blowing around out there or something. But the wind sounds like a freight train going through. The electricity's off. I'll leave this on for a second, maybe catch the sound of this wind. I'm shooting this out our bedroom window. You hope the roof doesn't blow off your house when it's this bad. Man. Kind of glad the camper's hooked to the truck. Have to blow both of them over. That metal must be blowing around out there. Listen to that wind. I don't know if you can see those trees. Boy, I'd be lucky if a tree doesn't fall down. Starting in again. Listen to that. Something's going on over there. They got the lights on in the car. Over about the hotel, the bed and breakfast. What a difference a day makes. That wind was crazy last night. But look at it out here this morning. The sun's shining, the grass is green, and Christina's raking the lawn. Time to get some stuff done around here today. Got to get our furniture in here. Got the backs in here. Look at our own little backyard stream this morning.
Do we want to ratchet strap it to it?
There you go, good. Okay, hold. Now go straight at it. There you go, okay.
Probably a little bit more. A little bit more so it's more flat. Just be careful when you find the camper in the truck when you get out of there. It's already all the way back. It's already all the way back. So the only thing you can do is lift it up a little bit more. Yeah, but it makes it more stable, I think. Okay, and then straight back. Huh? Bungee or ratchet strap it or tie it or something. Just ropes. You got ropes right in the back of the truck. Yeah? Make a good mower. Hope it goes up high enough. I didn't see it, but it might have. You ride right there. Yeah, put it in park.
I think if he just doesn't move his pedals, he doesn't go. Yeah, I don't touch it. Yeah, you're alright.
Just be ready to hit the brake if you have to. Not neutral, probably. Just be ready to hit the brake if you have to.
Whoa!
I'm gonna have to go up on top. You can always stay right there where you are. Just not on it. Yeah, right. You want me to go up? Why was that thing? Is that built set? Huh? That's for the lights for the Christmas display.
Oh, that's there?
No? He's gonna take it.
Walk forward, get
Try to go slower. You can almost lock the back on you. Caught on the bottom. Must be caught right there.
Roxy, come back out.
Rox,
come on. I would have left her down cellar if I knew she was going to be underfoot.
There goes the old back.
You know where it's going, honey?
Load 16 ton. What do you get?
Uh-oh.
It's gonna have to be a backhoe job.
Sideways.
What happened? Okay.
Yeah, and it goes like that.
You're gonna have to go completely sideways.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's heavy shit. You hit. You hit. Hustles Malone.
Now we got these.
Yeah.
There, you got that one. You got it. Woo!
this
house, the furniture goes with it.
Were you guys just against an elevator?
It wasn't in the budget.
A service elevator.
One more downstairs.
You can stop. She shifted.
Because think about it, the pressure was on the back.
You know what you can always do is wrap those around those metal things in the back.
Well, it's too late now. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry.
It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Bring it up, slow.
Okay, stop. Curl it forward a little bit. Okay, up. Oh, whoa, slower than that. Okay, Doug, can you hold this end?
Yeah, yeah.
And I'm gonna help her. No, stay right there. Ready?
Here, let me help you. There we go.
I know. Hold on.
Are you okay?
Yep. Where? Oh, right there.
Oh,
Hold on,
oh.
Doug. Can you hold that?
Doug, you got that?
Yeah.
And we're caught on the bucket.
Can you pick that end up at all?
Hey, Bucky, can you reach that?
Hold on a second.
Can you reach that couch, or is it too high up? Is it too high up?
Can you hold
The
this?
bottom
I can help
part of
Doug.
it. It's caught on the bucket.
Doug, I'm going to help you lift that end.
Well, the furniture moving's all done and the railings put back. Well, there's one missing still. Sean was working on this. But look at this, folks. We have a blank slate in here. So what are we going to do with this? Stay tuned. You feeling better?
I'm feeling much better.
Did you take a shower?
I did.
Your hair's not wet.
I didn't wash my hair.
Oh, are you a lady? See, it says lady on your shirt.
Lady A.
Lady A.
This is from Megan.
Ah, Lady Antebellum.
Mm-hmm. See the tours?
Oh, yes. Well, folks, these lights should be coming on anytime now. When we were in Cherokee, when Irma came through, we were using the solar that's on the roof. And the minute I hooked in this extra 100-watt panel that I can move around 50 feet, the 50 feet of cable, the power came back on. So with that theory, I figure I'd plug that in and our power will come back on, because we haven't had power since that big wind last night. And they're saying it could be 4 days in some of the outlying areas, so hopefully we won't be that long. So I got my power inverter going. We got 360 watts going into the batteries. We got gas for our refrigerator, our water heater, so we should be in good shape. I'm even charging my lawnmower battery off of solar power. So we are going to be okay without power. A lot of other people will be. So we're in our own garage with flashlights. Because we're going into the second day with no electricity since that big windstorm last night. So we are staying out in our camper because that's fully self-contained. And we don't need no stinking electricity.
Well, we do. Just
Solar powered and generator powered.
you want to bring that out to the dogs? I'm going to run upstairs real quick. Get the meds.
Okay. Well, Christina, explain to us this delicacy that you are holding on to.
Praying, I drop it.
What do you got there?
Well, this is from Stewart's, which, first of all, we're super happy to see Stewart's again.
Stewart's, known for their milk, ice cream,
Ice cream. Yep. They,
chili, Michigan's.
They have. Sorry, I was distracted by
Too bad you didn't
somebody
have
driving by.
smell-o-vision.
Hot dogs that are steamed, and hot dog buns that are steamed, and then they have a meat sauce The onions are under the hot dogs, so we've
Buried.
with some mustard on top, and they're
Mm-hmm.
delicious.
Michigan hot dogs,
That's right.
very famous in the North Country of New York,
Get
and
some
I
on
think
me, Rox. I think
even
they're
in northern Vermont, they know what a Michigan is now. They didn't used to know. Probably 100 Michigan stands around here in the summertime.
they're all different.
Plattsburgh, New York's loaded with them, but the best ones are at Jean's in Port Henry, in case anybody wants to try them.
It's a sweeter
The
spot.
Stewart's ones are okay. They're a whole lot cheaper, but this will be our first Michigan.
There's the first bite. So what do you get, like 3 bites out of that whole thing? And again, Roxy's praying and Turby's praying that something drops to the ground. But I don't think with this monster anything's gonna drop to the ground. Any last final words before I turn this off?
It's pretty good,
Okay.
but we need to go to Grover Hills Deli. 99-cent Michigans
Mondays.
on Mondays.
Yeah, it's tomorrow.
They're very good Michigans
Yeah,
for
they are.
99 cents. Then we go make a pilgrimage to the Mecca of Michigans, Jean's in Port Henry, New York, overlooking Lake Champlain.
They're more than 99 cents there.
They're much more, but they set the standard.
They are
for
the
Michigan
ultimate
hot dogs.
Michigan. Yep.
So that's it, folks. You've seen a Michigan hot dog now, famous in upstate New York. So anybody that hasn't been watching our YouTube channel for a while, hasn't seen our humble abode. So this is our cozy little, I think it's a little less than 700 square foot. There's that furniture we took out of the camper in its spot. We did a lot of the touches that you see in here. I made that light. This is our front porch. There's our camper, home away from home. We got Christina's car out. We're going to register that. Got it all cleaned up. There's our truck. My old Coleman lanterns. Electrified. But I didn't ruin them, so they could go back to being a Coleman lantern again. There she is, Mrs. Happy Wanderer herself. Cleaning up. We've been trying to pick this place up ever since we got back home. Still got the nativity scene out from Christmas time. All my Roy Rogers, not all of it, just a small part of my Roy Rogers collection up here. The doors I made. The house is a mess. She's trying to get it back in order. See our old ladder for our towels. Christina's old dresser made into a vanity. Used every inch of space. These are built up like that because they're over the stairs. I made these doors. And here's our back deck. Here's the river. And there's our RV site. Full hookups back here. Our RV is bigger than our house. So there it is, Rox. Home sweet home. Here it is. Home sweet home. Just thought I'd end this video just showing you a shot of our house at how old is this house? Year and a half, not even 2 years old. So we basically got it done and we hit the road. But we designed it ourselves and all the lighting and everything. Pretty proud of this place. Comfortable little house. Less than 700 square feet over a 2-car garage with a 10 by 28 workshop on the side, the right hand side. 58-inch plasma television you can see up there in the window. Looks like you're at the drive-ins. It's pretty big. One thing that I think really makes it is we have a cupola on the top of the light in it. And I think that just kind of sets the whole place off. And the garage doors are kind of neat. Kind of a focal point, I think, on the house. I'll get a little closer to those and you can see what I'm talking about. So we ordered these Coplay. They're aluminum, but they're made to look like real wood with glass in the top. I took these panels out, these frames, and I painted them black to match the hardware, and then trimmed out the round top instead of a square top. So it made the door, I don't know, this looks cooler, I think. And then of course had to do rounded molding and then try to fill up this whole part, and then even on the inside. It was kind of tricky all the way around, really. And then I made those keystones in the middle, and I found the perfect size metal stars to put in them. There's our sleigh. It's part of our display for our Christmas wreaths. Got to take the decorations off and toss those wreaths out. Here you can see what I'm talking about on the other side with the garage doors too.
Channeling the chicken spirit for my happy wanderers. Happy wanderers. Thanks for coming to Dollywood. Y'all good. Bye, honey.
Bye-bye.
Bye.